Wrap a paper towel around the master cylinder unit to protect the other parts of the motorcycle from escaping brake fluid. Unscrew the mirror from clamp. The tool necessary for this varies depending on the motorcycle model. Remove the lid of the expansion reservoir. Siphon off the old brake fluid until the expansion reservoir is completely empty. Replace the lid of the reservoir to prevent residual fluid from escaping. Loosen the handlebar clamp of the old master cylinder. Remove any cable ties securing the brake line. Now, carefully loosen the banjo bolt of the pressure line connection at the bottom of the master cylinder. Some brake fluid may escape at this point. Now, open the securing bolts of the mounting clamp. Retain the banjo bolt with a paper towel in order to catch any brake fluid which may escape. Completely remove the banjo bolt from the ring connector in order to separate the line from the old master cylinder unit. Connect the line with the HC3 brake master. Insert the banjo bolt through the pressure line connection. Please ensure that you have inserted a copper gasket washer between the banjo bolt and the pressure line. Attach the pressure line and banjo bolt to the new HC3 brake master. Please ensure that there are two copper gasket washers, one between the banjo bolt and ring fitting connection, and one between the ring fitting connection and the HC3 master cylinder. Do not yet tighten the banjo bolt all the way. First, mount the HC3 brake master on the handlebar. Tighten the clamp. Position the line at the required angle and tighten the banjo bolt. Secure the lines and cables with cable ties where necessary. Thoroughly clean the HC3 and check all the surrounding components for proper function.